Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. Today we're looking at perimeter. We're going to find the perimeter of objects, and later on we'll actually find the missing side lengths of objects as well. Well, let's ask ourselves, what does that word perimeter mean? Well, perimeter is just a fancy way of saying you're going to take all of the side lengths and add them up. So I'm just going to write it's the sum of all the side lengths in a polygon. So sum of all side lengths. Oops. Let's go ahead and erase that second A here and write side lengths down. So sum of all side lengths. So to find the perimeter of this object, well, we'd have to just add up all 5 sides. So we have an irregular pentagon, it looks like, and let's go ahead and add up all the sides. So let's go ahead and take 2.8. I'm just going to write 2.8 over here, followed by, I'm just going to cross that one off, 3.6. Remember, when you're adding decimals, you want to make sure to align all of the decimals up. Cross that one off, and then 3.5 we'll do next. So 3.5. Now, when we get to 3 inches, notice this just has the value 3. So I've got to ask myself, what comes after 3? Well, I've got to put a decimal down, and then let's just plug a 0 in this empty space here. And then finally, 4.3. We have 4.3 last. Now, before we add all of these up, let's go back to our problem and make sure we have all of the values or the side lengths over here to the side to take the sum. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 values, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values crossed off. So from here, it's just a matter of addition. So let's go ahead and add all of these values up. Well, 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 5 is 19, plus 3 gives us a value of 22. I'm going to put a 2 down, carry my 2. Now 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 4 is 17. So we have 17. Don't forget that decimal though, so bring that decimal down. Now I'm not quite finished here. I have 17.2, but 17.2 represents the perimeter. So to be a little bit more fancy, let's change pens here. I'm going to write P, a capital P. This capital P stands for perimeter. So P is equivalent to 17.2, and now let's go ahead and plug in our units. Don't forget to plug those units in. 17.2 inches. Cool, so I'm going to box that up, and we can move on to a new problem.